Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is April and today's video is an exciting one because we're going to be playing with makeup. I'm going to show you a simple and easy makeup look that I've been wearing and loving. Please hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, now that I'm nice and close, we can get started. So I've already washed and moisturized my face. I used this moisturizer here by Simple. Yep. And I'm gonna start with foundation. I don't wear foundation every day, but when I do, I wear this one. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand here. And I'm just gonna put that in a few spots. I'm just gonna start with that and blend that out with my Real Techniques. I'm gonna blend that out with my Real Techniques blending brush. Okay, I'm just gonna put some on my neck and blend that down. Okay, now that our foundation is done, I'm gonna move on to concealer. So I'm just using my CoverGirl concealer in the shade 320 Fair. I'm just gonna put a small amount under my eyes. And I'm gonna use my Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend that out. Okay, now I look a little ghost-like, so I'm going to powder my face and then move on to bronzer to give me a little bit more life back. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I'm just going to use a little bit more to set the rest of my face. Okay, so moving on to bronzer, I'm going to use my Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. And I'm just using this e.l.f. complexion brush. I'm applying this a little bit above the hollows of my cheeks because it makes my face look a little more lifted. I'm also going to put some of that on my forehead. Okay, I'm also gonna put some just below my jawline here and blend it down a little bit. So moving on to blush, I usually use my Milani Baked blush, but I feel like this shade is a little bit too pink for the fall time, so I'm gonna try something different and hope that it works. I'm just gonna take my lipstick and try to make that work as a cream blush. This is my Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Honeycomb, and it just has a little bit more of a brown undertone, kinda. I mean, it comes across a little more pink on camera, but I'm gonna just like put some of that on the back of my hand. And sorry, that's my foundation up there. And I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit with my finger. And I'm gonna see how this works on my cheeks. Hopefully it blends out okay. I've used other lipsticks before as a cream blush, but I've never used this brand, so I'm hoping that this will blend out okay. Oh, it's not working that great. It's not blending as well as I'd like it to. But we'll try and fix it. I mean, I really like the color, but it's not blending very well. It looks a little bit better in person than on camera. It doesn't look so harsh. Okay, I'm gonna try and blend that out with a brush. Maybe I should have used a brush in the first place. Okay, you know how I'm gonna fix this? I'm gonna go back into a little bit of my foundation that's left over on my hand here and try and cover that up a little bit I'm gonna blend that out with my foundation brush again. Okay, that's looking better. The lipstick as blush probably didn't blend out very well because I already set my face with powder, so maybe if I'd done that first, it would have blended a little bit better. I really like experimenting with makeup. You can do all kinds of things with it. Okay, I think we've saved the blush. I think it looks good now. Cool. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and lately I've just been using a brow tint by Essence, but I want my brows to look a little more structured for this look, so I'm gonna use my brow pencil as well by e.l.f. And first I'm just gonna brush them into place. And I'm probably gonna do some of this off camera because sometimes doing my brows takes a long time. Okay, that looks good. Whoops. I'm gonna set it now with my Essence Brow Gel right here. Cool, looking good. All right, so moving on to eyes. I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. It's in the color Strapless, and it's kind of like a bronzy taupe color. And I'm just gonna, this is the only eyeshadow I'm gonna use today, so I'm just gonna put that all over my lid and blend it out with a brush. So here we go. I'm gonna try and do this in the camera. Okay, so I'm putting it all over my lid and bringing it above my lid into the crease. Or I guess above the crease. Okay, so it's created a really harsh line, so that's why we need to blend it out with a little eyeshadow brush. So I'm just gonna go back and forth to soften that line. I just love this color. It looks so beautiful. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back with a little bit more on my eyelid. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that one more time. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye quickly. Okay, so the eyeshadow is done. I only put it on the eyelid because I'm gonna put a similar color of eyeliner on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna use my Annabelle Kohl eyeliner in the shade Chestnut, and it's a very similar color to the cream eyeshadow I was using, so I'm just gonna put that under my lash line there. I'm only bringing it like to this point from here, so I don't want to bring it in the whole way. Okay, so now I'm going to take a smaller eyeshadow brush and I'm going to blend that out to get rid of the harsh lines. Okay, so moving on to mascara. First I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Okay, so for mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is my favorite mascara ever. It gives me so much volume. So I'm just gonna put that on. I like to blink into it when I'm applying to make sure I coat it really, really well. And I'm gonna put some on the lower lash line. I don't like to bring too much mascara out onto the bottom corner because I find that it kind of, for my eye shape, it seems to like drag it down a little bit. So I try to avoid that area and put it more in the center of my eyelashes. Now moving on to lips, I'm first going to use a lip liner. I just bought this lip liner the other day, so I've used this brand before. It's by Essence. It's the Soft and Precise lip liner. I haven't used it in a couple of years, but I remember really liking it, so I just got the shade Bold, and I'm just gonna outline my lips. So I'm gonna use that same lipstick that I used for my blush, the Bite Beauty in Honeycomb, and just put that on. And here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and leave me a comment down below on the makeup products that you'll be using this fall. I'll see you soon. Bye!